So there's a number of different.
Dude.
Pathological compulsion is an abnormal, constant pursuit. Now, we understand.
Is that supposed to subdue somebody, or is that supposed to, like, make you feel you're in some sort of ship?
Can I ask the questions, please?
A lot of great minds end up deluded, have schizophrenia, end up into psychosis. So I use music as a place to kind of keep me balanced, balance the soul.
Thank you for balancing this show out,
This was a complete disaster.
Dude, I love you, man. Are you kidding me?
This is great. This is fantastic. Okay, so here's the deal. I wrote some.
Don't know exactly if he's gonna come in on the button.
This beige thing. Is that supposed to subdue somebody, or is that supposed to, like, make you feel you're in some sort of ship?
Can I ask the questions, please?
We end up, because a lot of great minds end up deluded, have schizophrenia, end up into psychosis. So I use music as a place to kind of keep me balanced, balance the soul.
I am not laughing. I can assure you, I am not laughing at all.
What's that thing they're doing with these baby rooms? They say these mothers, these certain type of mothers, they're not letting the child's room.
Hey everybody, it's Dr. Phil.
Theta, or the deep delta state,
And I know your spirit, and I've seen your spirit on camera.
You remember you have at least 5 primary ironies. You have dramatic situation.
Not anymore. Clean sober. Many years.
So, do you drink?
Not anymore. They don't want to ask anymore.
Retract that. Do you drink?
And I'm a fan. What can I tell you?
yeah, share the exact same phenomenon.
Well, I'm a fan too, and
I heard that you are also. I can assure you.
Intuition are often
So the
freaking cap.
My views a bit to the theta, or the physical reality, to
I wish you would.
Kind of create a little equilibrium. I feel you
Let me ask the question.
Or animism, implementers.
the brain transitions from different brain state, from the deep delta state, the theta state, back to the alpha. While it's transitioning, you may not be able to equilibrate. Any sort of psychoactive substance that temporarily alters your state of mind really transcends you into a place of. And this is what Einstein and Hendricks used to do a lot. They used to explore something called power hypnagogia. Power hypnagogia have 2 areas. You have hypnopompic and hypnagogic hallucination. Hypnopompic hallucination occurs on the onset of sleep. Hypnagogic occurs on the offset. And what Einstein would do is he would.
Aren't you filming me?
How's this boy? How's your boy now?
I really like it. I like the texture. I like how it's not ironed. It's not supposed to be ironed.
Hypnagogic occurs on the offset. And what Einstein would do is he would doze off on the offset. And what Einstein would do is he would doze off with an object in his hands. And as you're about to fall asleep, the object will drop and he will wake and remember his hallucination.
What's the best TV show ever created?
Honestly, for me, it's Sesame Street. Yeah.
For more and other kinds of things, go to patreon.com/The Jeff Richards Show. It's made in part by those who are made in part by those who are made in part. Today's moderator is Two Crows from the better known Two Crows Band. You can catch him as Slappy Bonaducci in the messaging. Okay, so here we go. This is what we got. Oh, I love it. I love it. I really love it. Okay, I don't really know what we're doing here. We're waiting for Atelston Fitzgerald Holder the first to get a new jacket on. Oh, and even more spectacular jacket. Oh, I love it. It's really cool. Oh, it's cool. I really love it. Aren't you? Where
Yes,
did you
man.
get that
Oh,
jacket? Did you get that at
man.
Finals?